2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. We're gonna do the engine, 15 hours job. We didn't take the turbo off. That's a requirement for it, to take the turbo, but just disconnect that, take off the fan. And like I said, always I mention it, don't disconnect the AC compressor. Just take the AC compressor out and let it hang down. Take off the alternator, all the component, wiring, cables and everything, and we should be fine to take it out. So basically, again, 14 hours job. So we got the engine, came with the turbo. It has got 80,000 miles on it. We are making it ready to go up. As you see, the only tricky point is there is a part of the turbo. It's better to take it off because it's gonna just be that far, and it might just, you know, touch the frame. We don't want to do that. We don't want to break it or anything. We just took it off in case, and rather than that, everything else is fine. Let me see. Be careful about the hoses and everything. Some other dude tried to take it out with the transmission. It's gonna be too much work. I don't like that, honestly. Well, so that would be the situation, and we have the engine right here along with the turbo. We're gonna pull it out a little bit. Just pull it out. So again, that would be the job. That dual clutch thing, so it's gonna go. Okay, see, make sure always you make sure before you put back the engine, make sure you push it all the way back. Put some grease around here, the pin. You have 2 pins right there, and make sure you align the torque converter or the dual clutch right here, because the hole is going to be here. You're going to have 15 millimeter, 2, 4, 6 of them, and make sure that flywheel for the new engine is going to be lined up. That's it's not going to give you a hard time or just stuck together by the time that you're trying to set up the engine, mount it up. And my technician took it out over here. This one is going to be a bad engine, so the customer drove it with no oil change. It's jump on time and timing chain, and that's why we would rather to replace the engine, because it hit the valve on the piston, and that's not a good engine anymore. So we're going to replace the crankcase as well, and put the new one. That was all about it, I believe. But again, thank you guys for watching, following me on all videos and information. Give me a call if you have any question. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like that kind of video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.